long time no see. And do anyone miss me? And today I'm going to make the embroidery blooper. This is very easy and fast. I use Wilcom embroidery designs E2. This is a Chinese restaurant, and I don't have English restaurant. And sorry about that. And if you know Chinese, that's very good. And if you don't know Chinese, you can learn Chinese and learn this embroidery software and at the same time. So let's begin. Here is the embroidery mode and the design mode. Create the design mode and switch to the design mode. And then I import a pattern and blooper pattern, search for the Google pattern. And then I create the beam mat. And then I go down to the outline trees and create to the create and a window pass out. One is before and one is after. Before is the pattern that you import to this software, and the after is the pattern that will be embroidered. And you can pick the color, you can change the detail anyway, and if you feel it is okay, and create the okay, and then create the convert button next to the embroidery modes, and it will convert to the embroidery. And here is the blooper embroidery. And if you don't like something, you just click it and delete it, or delete the press the delete button at the keyboard. And if you feel you like it, and just leave it alone. And next to the right side, here is the window piece button. Window piece I forget what I'm saying. Okay, you can choose anything to hide it, to delete it, or to something else, any way you like. And you can select Alt, press Ctrl and 8. You can select Alt or use the mouse to select Alt, and you can make it large or smaller. You can use the mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out as you like. And you also can press the begin, choose, and button to see how the software, how the machine embroidery this blooper. And here you can see. And here is the blooper, how the blooper embroidery. And you feel everything is okay, then you feel you are very satisfied with this blooper. Next, you have to do is to save it. You can save it as a EMB to. It is used for the future edit. If you don't satisfy with anything, so you have to save it with EMB. But if you want to transfer to the embroidery machine for embroidery, you have to save it as DST files and transfer to the embroidery machine for embroidery. And you finish with it, and you get a beautiful blooper for embroidery. And thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.